White chocolate is used for the drizzle. Since white chocolate is not actually made from cocoa beans, but rather out of cocoa butter, various brands will have different levels of fat in them. If the fat content is low, the chocolate will not melt, but rather burn. To get your white chocolate to liquefy, melt the white chocolate chips with coconut oil. For every 3 tablespoons, add a 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil. Remember, you don't need a lot of white chocolate since it's just going to be for a drizzle. And if you have a very powerful microwave, you may also want to heat the white chocolate at a lower power level. When the white chocolate is completely melted, pour it into the corner of a small bag and twist the bag so that all the chocolate is concentrated at the corner. Using a pair of scissors, cut a hole at the tip and move the chocolate side to side to create the drizzle. Voila! So simple and easy. Enjoy! More recipes can be found on sammywongsKitchen.com or social media. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks!